Welcome. The following video will cover the essentials of OneClick LCA user interface. The cloud-based software is designed to be user-friendly from the very beginning. Once logged in, proceed to check out the IGS license. If the first pop-up window is closed by accident, users can check out the license by accessing the license window on the top right corner and selecting the IGS license. Please remember to release the license when the work has been finished. The first window we see when we're logged in is the public demo available to all users. Most of the demo cover residential and office buildings, as well as some infrastructure projects. When enrolling in some of the bootcamps or courses available in the OneClick Academy, additional public demos could become available. The Your Project tabs will have all of the IGS templates together with any personal or company project that have been created. Please remember that the IGS license grants view-only access to the IGS templates. If users have an active license, they can proceed to create a project. To do so, go to the Add button and select Building or Infrastructure, depending on the available license. Here, we'll select the IGS license and fill up the basic project information. The gross flow area serves as the comparison unit. Clicking on Next will take us to the project details and allow us to begin creating different scenarios. Once the project is created, we must then select which calculation tool will be used. For this, click on the Get Started button and select Lifecycle Carbon Global. This tool allows us to calculate the environmental impact of different solutions based on the global warming indicator measured in equivalent emissions of carbon dioxide. Selecting Next will take us to the definition of the first alternative. For this, assign an alternative name. The remaining drop-down menus and tick boxes are for category or indexing purposes and do not affect the overall calculations. Clicking on Next will take us to the definition of the LCA parameters. Here we can select either default or modify them. Modifying these parameters include different energy matrices, transportation localizations, and end-of-life scenarios. More on this will be covered in the following videos. For now, click on Select Default LCA Parameters. With this, we'll have created our first project alternative. To add a new design, click on the Add Design button. Name the alternative and add it to the project. For each alternative, we'll have to add all the lifecycle inventory data. For this, click on the Input Data label or the drop-down arrow. Here, we can see all the possible inputs for each alternative. More specific data on inputs will be covered in the following videos.